These are my sheet pan sweet potatoes, all caramelized, little crunchy bits in there. Sheet pan sweet potato. They can be kind of carby, but I'm over 4 years now on the low carb diet, so having a little bit of sweet potato is affordable for me, for my macros. I'm going to say that one serving is 8 net carbs. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. First thing I've done is I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I've got heat on this side, and nothing in the center, or you can go in the oven. And this is very flavorful. I've got a cup of chicken broth, some extra virgin olive oil, quarter cup of fresh lemon juice, got some oregano, some kosher salt, and 2 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. I went with 2 today. I'm just going to mix that up. And I'm going for medium-sized sweet potatoes. And I cut off the gnarly bits on the side there and on the end. I'm just going to put them in. So I've got 2 sweet potatoes. I'm just going to mix that around nicely to coat. Nice. And now I'm just going to put it on the sheet pan, just like that. Any way you like, doesn't matter. Get all the little bits out of the bottom here. Now what makes this so good, the broth really flavors it. It kind of evaporates, and then you're left with the oil, and it crisps it up really nicely. So I'm at 400 degrees exactly. I'm going to go indirect or in the oven, and I'm going to toss this around. It's going to go for about an hour, and I'm going to move it around, and once it starts to get crispy and it evaporates, and then you're left with the oil. So 30 minutes, and then you flip it. Oh, that's hot. So in we go. And I'll set the timer. And about every 15 minutes, I kind of flipped it around a little bit. Let's have a look at this. Got some nice little burnt bits in there. That looks really good. Now this is all common sense. What you want to do is start out at a higher temperature, evaporate the chicken broth, and the oil will cook the potatoes. They're going to be nice and fluffy on the inside. I like the little burnt bits myself. If you don't care for that, then somebody else might. The other thing I'm going to do is just take all this oil and goodness and crispy bits and everything and just put it right on top. It's super fluffy on the inside. Hot as can be. That is sheet pan sweet potatoes. These are so good. Thanks for watching.